boy, Chef C from across the sea, with another exciting meal. As you can see, I'm dressed for the part, okay? It don't matter. So what we got today, we got this garlic butter marinated chicken. This thing been marinated for 2 days, baby. Oh yeah, 2 days. So next, what we're gonna have with this, we're gonna have a baked potato. You know, who don't like a nice baked potato with your baked chicken? It's gonna be nice, okay? What we did, we cut it. We're gonna put some EVOO, sprinkle some garlic on top, and when that bad boy come out, put some butter, some cheese, mwah, bellissimo. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir fry these Brussels sprouts. We're gonna stir fry the string beans and the broccoli together, and we're gonna make a ginger garlic sauce, okay? We got some soy sauce, ni hao, Thailand, okay? And then last but not least, we're going to saute all these babies together, and it's gonna taste so good. So stick around if you're really down with your boy Chef C from across the sea. Like, subscribe, everything that you know you gotta do to see me. You understand? We'll be right back. So I'm gonna have to roll up my sleeves, baby, and get down to cooking. We'll be right back. Now that's the grape soda with the fizz, people. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And that's what it is. And we're back. Now, rosemary thyme in your Scotch bonnet. We're gonna throw that in the pot. Right there. That's the flavor, baby. That's for your flavor. Okay? That's for your flavor. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop in your garlic, some onion, and we're gonna stir fry this bad boy. Oh, it smells so great. It smells everything, baby. As you can see, our potatoes that came out. Grape soda with the fizz. See that knife? Straight through. Chef C. Wow. He's done it again. Every time. Every time. Yo, this aroma, it's like therapy. It's aroma therapeutic, baby. A little salt, a little bit of pepper. Just let that have a party. The Chef C way. Because what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our vegetables, people. We're gonna add our vegetables. The vegetables right here, we steamed them nice. Okay, you got your Brussels sprouts, your string beans, and your broccoli, people. All right. Now, safety first, everyone. Always make sure you secure your joint. Now you're gonna dump that. You're gonna dump that the Chef C way. Dump it out, baby. Oh, these flavors. And do not forget, do not swallow this. Do not swallow this, people. Yes. See that? Let that cook down for a few seconds. It's going to be nice and good. Listen closely. Now what we're about to do here, that's beautiful right there. The Chef C way. So now we're going to add our garlic ginger soy sauce. You want to let this cook up. Now what you want to add, since we did that, the rest of our peppers and onions and garlic and tomatoes. Look at that, people. This is a body meal. Grape soda with the fizz, people. Grape soda with the fizz. Chef C, why you always do that to me? You know, that's just what I do. Alright, you don't want to move it around too much to mush. We're gonna let that simmer. And now it's the best part of the meal, people. It's to plate this bad boy. Stay tuned. Here we go. Here it is, people. This is your chicken, butter garlic roasted. We got our sauteed, stir-fried vegetables with garlic ginger sauce. You got your baked potato with your cheesy on top. You got your salad, and now it's time, people. That's right. Chef C said it. It's time to taste it. Okay, people. Now, okay. Nice and soft. I could taste the roasted garlic and then mixed well with the cheese. Again, do you have it, people? Chef C from across the sea. He's done it again. Check y'all out later.